Okay, what's up, everybody? Oh, two left, two right. Okay, this is my friend Mario, and I'm Brian. We just modded our Xboxes, or not modded. I mean fixed them. He fixed his tray thing, and let's get a look at this. It's okay. Half black and half white Xbox. Mario, can you hold that pretty boy up for me, please? With the transformer plate. It's pretty rad. Turn it over a little bit, please, sir. All right, so that side is white. And this side is black. It's pretty cool. We just took our Xboxes apart, and I'm gonna see if my Xbox still has the red ring of death. Alright, I'm kinda nervous, but you know what? In society, that's the kind of shit you have to do. Alright, tits. So nervous.
Bob Saget!
Fucking cock. Alright, let's get a look. It fucking worked.
It worked.
Alright, now.
No memory.
Hard drive. Half white, half black Xbox. Suck on it. Okay. Dude, my Xbox looks so sick.
Okay, now I see what broke off.
Alright, so there we go. We are good. Can I borrow your wireless adapter?
No.
For tonight. Come on, please.
Oh.
You're an asshole. Alright, so there we go. Get a good look at this. Can't even see it with the flash. Piece of crap. Works pretty good.
Getting it that close?
See if this works.
Probably new game.
Fuck it, pre-owned. I don't even care. It's reading. Is it working?
It's reading.
Perfect.